Hey guys, today's me Akib coming back with another brand new video. So in this video I'll be talking about the new update which got released for the Samsung J7 Max, and also I'll be showing you how to update the phone to the latest version 8.0 Oreo. So as you can see in the notification bar, the update is available, and also in the settings also it's available. So I clicked it, and you can see that the option is there. The option is there over here to tap here to update the firmware of the latest version. So it's over here, and as you can see it's paused, and I'm gonna download it, and now it's getting downloaded. As you can see, it takes 18 minutes to download. It's a 1.167 GB download. It's gonna take some 70 minutes, I guess. So now the download has finished, and as you can see I am in the software update screen. So the latest software update is already ready to be installed. If you tap install, it will get like install and stuff, and these are the features. It also comes with the Samsung Experience 9.5 upgrade, and there are some other features like biometrics, quick panel, home screen, Samsung keyboard, system performance, lock screen, smart views, Samsung account, Samsung cloud, Samsung dual messenger, find my mobile, and other improvements. These are the stuff which is going to change. So now let's install it. As you can see guys, it is getting ready to install. Android system update, preparing the update. It's 20%, 24 like that. So it's preparing to Yes, it is going quick. And guys, so stay tuned for more videos. And now the phone has restarted, and now it is getting updated. So let me show you the view. So yeah, there's the Android robot thingy, and it is getting installed. The update is getting installed. Installing system update. So yep, as you can see it's now going at 1 to 4%. So let's go for a time lapse instead of wasting time. And guys, the update is done. So the phone is restarting. So it is getting rebooted, and yeah, the logo is coming. I like that texture image effect. I think this is gonna take a while. Guys, if you want more videos like this, just leave a comment and I'll try my best to do that. The phone is rebooting, and the logo is blinking. You can see it clearly, the logo is blinking. This update got for late 2018 phones like J8 and J6, but we didn't get it because we are 2017. So now we got it, and yeah, the phone started, so it's coming as Android is upgrading. You can see that it's optimizing apps of 91 has completed 51 apps. And guys, before you update, make sure you have at least 50% of charge, or else minimum 30% of charge. If your battery is weak, try charging to 100. So the apps are getting optimized quick. So it's 63, then 64. And guys, also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And it's optimizing. I just want to do a full review, that's why I didn't do any time lapse in this part. So yes, it is optimizing. 85, 89, 90, 91. Nice. It's done optimizing, but let's wait for a bit. It's gonna come. Oh, I think it's gonna take a while, like a minute or so. Yeah, exactly a minute. Oh, the screen became darker. Oh, it's coming as starting Android. I don't know whether you can see, let me focus a bit, but you can see it's coming as starting Android, and there's a bar, like the loading bar from left to right. You can see that clearly. So yeah, I don't think, yeah, you can just see the bar at least. So it's written as starting Android. This process would take okay, yeah, it's finished, done. Okay, system UIE isn't responding. I just close it. Okay, done. Now it's updated and it's done loading. Oh yeah, it's done loading fully. So just ignore that system UI, it comes sometimes. And as you can see, let me increase the brightness. Oh, my charge is only 2. So you can see that it's finishing the Android update. So I'll be back once everything is done. So I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. So, and guys, I'm back with the latest update of the J7 Max. And you can see even the wallpaper, everything has changed. You can change it by yourself or it automatically gets changed. And I'll just show you the version. About phone. Then you can see it's the J7 Max. Software information. And it's in Android version 8.10. So, and also the Samsung Experience version is 9.5, so that's a win-win. And yeah, there are some upgraded features also. So if you want more deep, just give a comment, so I'll try to do a deeper video on the update. So the icons are the same, and yeah, there's no other thing over there. So that's it guys, so please make sure you subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.